Around this day in Seventh-day Adventist history, February 23, 1871, Mrs. White had a great burden for her children, and they did not always live the life she felt they should. Many times she wrote letters of admonition to them, and like many mothers today, shed tears for them. She did not want her children to be the stumbling block for others either. She loved her boys, but she did not want to see her daughter-in-laws lose eternal life also. The following letter was written to Edson and Emma White. We are sorry you are sick, but hope it will not last long. My greatest fears have been lest death might overtake you, either Edson or Emma, and find that you have not made preparations for a home in heaven among the pure, holy angels. I hope Emma will not be indifferent in regards to these things, if Edson is. All must perfect Christian character for themselves. It is an individual work, an individual responsibility. One cannot give a ransom for the soul of another. Christ has paid the dear price to ransom us. If we have no interest to avail ourselves of the benefits provided at such an immense cost, our retribution will have been justly earned. Ellen White never gave up praying for her children. She would admonish them, but she also encouraged them. She was human, and so were her children. Satan will attack those he does not have under his control. Around this day, February 23, 1871, Ellen wrote this pleading letter to Edson and Emma White.